gotta see this place. This is the Cove Palisades State Park. It's located about 20 minutes north of Terrebonne-ish. I don't know, I'm not from here, so my time might be off just a little bit, but just take a look at this place. So these are ancient basalt cliffs. That means that they're volcanic, just like most things in Oregon and Washington. Thanks, Rock. Thanks for stopping me. And you can just see how the rock, the molten rock, actually moved and swirled and came into place in some places here. Over to my right here in the shade, I'll show you that. This place is just absolutely majestic. About, I don't know, 3 minutes ago, an osprey swooped down and snagged a fish out of the shallow water about 100 feet from me, very close. Gorgeous basalt cliffs as far as the eye can see, and this big old turquoise lake in between. Pretty sweet.